How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are unboxing the Canon EOS M200 brand new camera, and this one does come with the 15 to 45mm kit lens. Let's go ahead and get right to the unboxing. First things first, we do have the warranty information, instruction booklet, all that type of stuff, which I'm sure you don't really care about, so we'll bypass that pretty quickly here. And let's dig into this side first. Looks like we do have the Canon strap, your little camera strap. We're not going to go ahead and open that up, but we'll put that aside for now. And let's grab this right here. This looks to be the charger, which we will open up and see. And it's your little charger block right there. And it does have just the little AC port that just comes in, and that will just plug right into the wall. Your battery will slip right into here. So pretty straightforward, pretty standard of Canon. And let's go ahead and actually have a look at the camera itself. And this is how it's packaged right from the factory. Nice bubble wrap, and then it's got some paperwork stuff all around. There we go. All right, so let's get a look at the camera itself. So first of all, it does feel pretty good quality. It's more or less mostly plastic, but it still does have a nice thick feeling to it, which is good. And if we look at the top right here, we've got your automatic, your camera mode, and your video mode. We've got this little switch right here, which you can adjust different things on the camera. And then on the side right here, let's go ahead and have a look at this right here. So there we've got your micro SD, or sorry, your regular SD slot right here. Then we've got your mini HDMI. Is it mini or micro? No, it's a micro HDMI, which is nice. And then we've got your regular micro USB right there as well. And on the back, we've got the menu key. We've got some switches and stuff right here for buttons. We've got your record button, your playback button, and then it looks like your speaker right here on the side right there. And then your screen does flip up, which is really cool. There we go. So flips out just like that, or flips up just like that for your selfie mode, so you can see your camera and all that stuff all on the screen. And let's go ahead and grab the lens for it, which is the other piece in here. Here's your battery for it. We'll take that apart in a second. Let's grab the lens itself. And this is how the lens is packaged. Nicely packaged again. And it's your 15 to 45 EFM lens right there. So there we go. It's got the nice little cap right here. And then this is your little back piece, which we'll take off. And we'll actually go ahead here. I'm gonna put the cap back on while I put this down. And we're gonna actually put the lens right on. So here we go. We'll take this piece right off. And then to put the lens on, if you see the little white dot right there, and then you see that little white dot right there, if you actually line those up, and then you just twist it, and it'll click right in. So very easy to install the lens. Let's go ahead and take that piece off. And now we can go ahead and see the camera with the lens all on there. Very, very cool. Loving the quality of this. Love the adjustability on there of this camera, which is really nice. And let's go ahead and see which battery we have for this one as well. LPE-12, it looks like, if I'm reading that properly. There we go. So you can see your battery information. And let's go ahead and install the battery itself. And it should just pop right into there, and it will align just like that. Very easy to put in, click right in, and then we can go ahead and let's go ahead and actually, should we turn it on? Yes, I think we should turn it on right away. So let's go ahead and tap your on and off switch, which is right at the top right there. And as I turn it on, it immediately dies and says change the battery pack. So it will need to be charged up. So we'll go ahead and charge it up, and we'll go ahead and use it. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing video, guys. If you like the Canon M200, you want more information about it, I'll leave the link in the description box below. You guys can go ahead and check it out. But there's your unboxing of the Canon M200.